will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. Coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Go, go.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're over here at the California Custom Knife Show, CCKS 2023 Fall in Woodland Hills, California. And we're at the booth of Bastinelli Knives. Now, who are you and what have you brought today?
How are we doing, guys? My name is Brian. I work with Bastian at Bastinelli in Florida. Today we got a little bit of everything. We got some custom rosaries. We are beads and skulls. We got some satin spades.
Now that's one of the 4 spades, if I'm not mistaken.
One of the 4 spades, yes. We got the Picor. This is another one. We got some of the last custom gambler before we got the production running. Got some nice picas with some custom Sukamaki. Our folder work collaboration with Fox. We got some hair sticks with our bronze tube. A little custom kiridashis with their wallet. That way you can carry it really nice and sleek. Got some custom Sukamaki sins with satin on the blade. Some with Stingray. Our collaboration with Layer Watch is a big boy automatic watch. We got some of the Grumpy with Sukamaki. A couple of our folders. The big Dragotag is a great blade, huge, very nice fit in the hand. And we got some custom scenes that we did and some Mako. And a couple accessories for our big lighters, our coin, our holders for the big lighter. We always try to keep a little bit of variety on our table. Thank you for coming in, checking us out.
And today is Veterans Day, so you're here until 6 p.m. today. And how long will you be here tomorrow?
We're going to be here tomorrow until close, so until 4, I believe is.
So 4 p.m. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's always good to see Bastinelli, and
Thank
as
you.
always, have a nice day.
Nice to see you.
Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all.